So no lights on, the sharpener's on, the oil is on, but the advancer won't go. Probably because I made this do this. As soon as I trip that off, it all shuts off. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'll turn that off and then turn it back on. Turn that on, but the switch doesn't come on. A little orange indicator. Of course, none of this works. So, I don't know what's wrong with it. So this is tripped off again, and what I'm noticing today is this here shiny residue. It's sticky. It looks like glue, but I mean the only glue that I'm aware of is what's on this little circuit board that plugs in here. And that doesn't seem to be affected by anything. It's quite firm, to the not sticky to the touch, but this sure is. So I think this module is going to be toast pretty soon. I think that's the one too that controls the blade advancement, and that seems to be the trouble I'm having. You can turn on the machine and engage the sharpener and the pump, and then as soon as you turn on the advance, sometimes it'll trigger and not work, or it'll work for a minute and then it stops. So I think looks like we're going to need another board replacement there pretty soon, by the looks of it.